Hello guys, welcome back my channel. Today I will show how to save Word file in PDF or how to convert Word file to PDF. First of all, open Microsoft Word. You can see, then write down your document or text file. Here I'm copying some document. If you new in my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Copy and paste. You can write your personal document or resume or office work file, then file, then save as, then browse where you want to save, and I choose the desktop, then save as type. You can see PDF, and then click save. Now save, convert to Word file to PDF file. You can check my desktop, open one more. If you use old version to Microsoft Office 2007 or 2003, then you can download one plugins, save as PDF software, then you can see and download this one simple add-ons. Then you can also save other software also. Here I already saved, download this software, then double click, then check, then continue, then done. Okay. If you use the 2007 Microsoft Office, then you can see same save as PDF option. Thanks for watching.